So we are going to start lesson number 5, translation. Okay, so you are going to take your book, page 58. So you have the translation of the house. Okay, so the topic will be ma maison. So ma maison means my house. Okay, so first letter. So you are going to have 2 letter format in this lesson. So first letter is about her house. Okay, and next letter is about the garden. Okay, so notre maison. So first letter you are going to have notre maison. So you are going to describe what are there in your house. Okay, what is inside and around the house. So next letter, what are there inside in your garden. Okay, you can turn the page and see what are there in the garden and what they are going to explain to you. Okay, so let me go into the letter. Okay, so I am going to read lettre A, notre maison. Okay, so notre maison. Ria décrit sa famille et sa maison à Nader. So Ria is writing a letter. So she is describing a house to Nader. Okay, la correspondance française. So a friend which is abroad. Okay, a French friend who is abroad. So you can see in the letter you have to write the place and with the date in French. Okay, the place where they belong and we are going to write the date. I told you to write the date every day. Okay, in French. So this is the format to write the date in French in a letter. So, cher Nader. So, dear Nader. So, I am going to read and tell you line by line the translation. You have to listen carefully. Okay. So, j'habite à Chennai en famille avec mes parents. So, I live in Chennai with my family, with my parents. Okay, in family with my parents. J'ai une sœur et un frère. So, I have a sister and a brother. Nous habitons une grande maison individuelle de 2 étages. So we are living in a big house, individual house with 2 étages means floor. Okay, en banlieue in a surrounding. Okay, au rez-de-chaussée. So in a ground floor. Rez-de-chaussée means ground floor. Nous avons une grande salle. So in the ground floor we have a big hall. Okay, une grande salle. Une cuisine, a kitchen, et une salle à manger. And a dining room, salle à manger. Okay, dans la salle à manger, so in the dining room, il y a une grande table au milieu et 4 chaises autour de la table. So in the dining room, there is a big table in the center with 4 chairs around the table. Okay, so you understood till here? Yes, I hope it is clear for you. So we are going to continue. Au premier étage. So what I told you, étage in the first floor. Premier means first. So au premier étage, il y a 3 chambres avec salle de bain et WC. So in the first floor there are 3 bedrooms with attached bathroom. Okay, salle de bain et WC, that is attached bathroom. Okay, so next we are going to see what are the sister and the brother are having. Okay, so where they are living. Ma soeur et moi partageons une chambre. So my brother and my sister, we are sharing a room. Notre chambre est au fond du couloir. So our room is in the last of the corridor. Okay, so the house will be very big. Okay, you can imagine that. Elle est aussi grande que la chambre de mon frère. So it is also bigger than my brother's room. Okay. De notre chambre, on voit la fontaine du jardin public. So from our room. So for example, you have window room, bedroom. If you open your window from your bedroom, what else we can see? Okay, what are the things that we can see? So they can see a bibliothèque of the public garden. So they are facing the garden. Okay, so a beautiful garden. Mais la chambre de mes parents est plus grande que nos chambres. So you can see there are comparison. We saw que. Okay, but the room of my parents, bedroom of my parents, is bigger than ours. Okay. Dans la chambre, on voit de beaux tableaux de grande valeur au mur. So, in their bedroom, they are having tableau means what? That is not board. Okay, tableau in school is a board, but tableau in a exposition or anything in a museum, that is paintings. Okay, so tableau means paintings. Okay, the grande valeur with the more value. Okay, again the word. Tout le monde adore leur collection. So everyone like their collection. What are the painting are there in the bedroom? So they all like the collections that they are having. Okay. So mon frère a un ordinateur et une imprimante au coin de sa chambre. So my brother have an ordinateur means a computer. So my brother have a computer and a printer. Imprimante means printer in the corner of his room. So you can see the picture. So you can see the picture and see what else they are having and what are they around him. Okay, so what are the things that he is having around him. Okay, so each line that I am explaining, you can see the picture and analyze. Il est tout le temps devant l'ordinateur. He is always in front of the computer. Il est moins sérieux que nous. He is less serious than us. Okay, so he is not very hard worker. Okay, so last paragraph. Au dernier étage, the last floor. So dernier étage means second floor. Okay, so au dernier étage, nous avons un salon et une immense bibliothèque. So in the second floor we have a big hall and salon. Okay, so we have a big hall. Salon means you can say also living room. But living room we are having in the ground floor. So there they are having a big hall and salon. Okay, and a big library, bibliothèque. Okay, so bibliothèque means a library. Là, on trouve des bouquins partout. So there we can find bouquin means that comes from the word bouquiner. Okay, so bouquin we can say book. Okay, so bouquin is a book also and leaf. Okay, so là on trouve des bouquins partout, everywhere. Partout means everywhere. Par terre, on the ground. Contre le mur, again the wall. Okay, sur les étagères, on the shelf. Étage means floor, étagère means shelf. Okay, it has a bookshelf. So we can find books there also. Sous les tables, so sous les tables, under the tables. Okay, so he is putting his book everywhere. Okay, he is very messy. Okay, so next paragraph. Mon père a une énorme collection de livres en anglais. So my father has a big collection of English book, Hindi, Tamil, and a man of Français and also in French. Okay, so he is having a collection of French book, English book, Hindi book, Tamil book. Okay, so il lit ses livres et les journaux dans le salon. So he is reading books and his newspapers in the hall. Okay, so dans le salon nous avons un grand poste de télévision avec un système Wi-Fi. So in the living room, in the hall, we have a big television, TV. Okay, and grand poste de télévision. Poste de télévision means a big screen. Okay, TV screen with a system Wi-Fi. Okay, so I hope it is clear with this letter A. Okay, so he has described his house. What are the things? What are the portion are in the house? Okay, so we are going for the next letter B. So it's about the garden. So it's going to describe his she is going to describe his garden. Okay, so Ria is going to describe the garden. So, à gauche de notre maison. So, à gauche. So, à droite, à gauche. So, you can say at the right, at the left. Okay, so at the left side of his house. So, à gauche de notre maison, il y a un garage. So, there is a car shed. Okay, garage means car shed. Le jardin est devant la maison. So the garden is in front of the house. Okay, so you at the left side you have the car shed and in front of the house you have the garden. Là, nous avons toutes sortes d'arbres. So we have all kinds of trees. Okay, so there we have all kinds of trees. Des bananiers. So banyan tree, mango tree and coconut tree. Les feuilles tombent partout. So the leaves fall everywhere. On a aussi des roses, des jasmins, des chrysanthemmes. So we have lots of flowers also. Okay. So notre jardin ressemble à une pépinière. So what is a pépinière? I already taught you. It's a what? Gardenerie, okay, a small gardenerie. So, notre jardin ressemble à une pépinière, okay. So, we can say also pépinière, another thing. So, nos chats jouent sur le gazon. So, our cats are playing in the gazon means in the grass, okay. So, you can see the picture also. So, the cat is playing in the grass, okay. So, c'est vraiment amusant. It's really funny. Okay, so they have fun. Moi aussi, je joue au cricket avec mon frère et ses amis dans le jardin. So myself also, I play cricket with my brother and my brother's friend in the garden. Okay, so you can see pépinière, nursery. So pépinière comes from the word nursery. So they are having a small nursery and the cat is playing on the grass and the children are having fun. They are playing cricket. Okay, so in the garden, quelquefois ma mère joue du violon dans le jardin. So quelquefois. So we saw this thing in the grammar part. So quelquefois means sometimes. Okay, so sometimes my mother played violin in the garden. So this is over for this letter type. Okay, so you can see letter A and letter B. So you have the picture from your book. So you are going to read what I am reading in French. Then you are going to say write the translation of this passage. Okay, these two letters, lesson number 4 and lesson number 5 as an assignment. Merci. Bonjour, good morning students. J'espère que vous allez tous très bien. So nous allons commencer la traduction de cette leçon. So we are going to start the translation of this lesson. Okay? So ouvrez votre livre à la page 45. So open your book in page 45. So you have lesson number 4. So you have the dialogue of lesson number 4. So we are going to start to read the dialogue first. And then I am going to explain you line by line what is the conversation is happening. Okay. So ici vous avez un dîner en famille. So you have the picture. You can see the picture. So it is a dinner with his family. Okay. So je vais commencer à lire. I am going to start to read. So then I am going to explain you line by line. Okay. So look at here. Un dîner en famille. So you have two dialogues. Okay, 3 dialogues. So I am going to start first for the first dialogue. Then I will stop. I will explain you the first dialogue. Then we will go for the next. Okay. So Vijay, Mama et Papa. So Vijay, his mother and his father. Okay, they are having a conversation. J'ai faim, maman. Passons à table. Il y a du poisson, du riz et un plat de lentilles. Oh non, toujours la même chose. Tu sais, maman, je déteste le poisson. Mais il y a aussi des lentilles et du riz. Tous les jours, nous mangeons du riz. J'en ai marre. Pourquoi nous ne sortons pas pour dîner? Pas aujourd'hui. C'est trop tard. Peut-être demain soir. Okay, so you have to go through into the dialogue so that you can understand. Okay, so here you have Vijay is telling to his mother, I am very hungry. So we also saw the expression avec avoir. So to be hungry, avoir faim. Okay, so j'ai faim, I am hungry, mom. Let us go to the table. So they are going to have dinner. Okay. Il y a du poisson. There is fish, rice, and a plate of dal. So lentil means dal. Okay. So oh no. So oh no. Toujours. What is toujours? Always the same thing. So it's a very bored with eating the same thing. Okay. It's fed up. So tu sais, Mama, you know, Mom, I hate the fish. So you don't like fish. Mais il y a aussi des lentilles et du riz. So her father is telling, but there is also dal and rice. You can eat that. Okay. So every day we are eating rice. So I am fed up with this. So every day he is having rice for dinner. So he is fed up with that. Okay. Pourquoi nous ne sortons pas pour dîner? So why we are not going out for dinner? So he wanted to go out for dinner. But his mother is telling, not today, pas aujourd'hui. C'est trop tard. It is too late. Maybe tomorrow evening. Okay, so maybe tomorrow evening we can go for dinner. So did you understand the first dialogue? Okay, so we can go for the next. So I hope it is clear for you. So we can go for the next dialogue B. So they are in the restaurant. Okay, so it may be the next day evening they are in the restaurant. Okay. Maître d'hôtel. So who is a maître d'hôtel? He is a waiter. Okay. Maître d'hôtel. Bonsoir monsieur. Vous êtes combien, s'il vous plaît? Nous sommes 4. Venez par ici, monsieur. Voici le menu. Merci. Bon. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez commander? Moi, je voudrais une pizza. Toi aussi une pizza? Non. Pour moi, des naan avec du paneer kofta. Et toi, Anita? Qu'est-ce que tu prends? Des naan? Oh non, je ne veux qu'un repas léger. Peut-être des rôtis et avec des légumes. Prenons alors des rôtis. Moi aussi, papa, je vais prendre des rôtis. D'abord, tu finis les naan, monsieur. Okay, so I hope you can understand a little. So they are in the restaurant, they are ordering for food. Okay, so let me see what they are all ordering. Okay, so bonjour monsieur, bonsoir. So good evening sir. How many are you? So if you are entering into the restaurant or a hotel, so they will ask you how many you are. Okay, to reserve a table for you. How many you are, please? S'il vous plaît means please. Nous sommes 4. So we are 4. Venez par ici. Let us from this side. Okay? Monsieur, voici le menu. Here is your menu. Merci. Bon. Thank you. So, qu'est-ce que vous voulez commander? What do you want to order? So the father is asking to their children and to her wife. So what do you want to order? So Vijay is going to say, myself, I want a pizza. So the father is saying, toi aussi une pizza? So he is asking the question to Vinita. Okay? So he is asking, you also a pizza? No. So Vinita is answering, no. Pour moi, des naan avec du paneer kofta. So Vinita is telling, no pizza for me. So I want to order naan and paneer kofta. So Papa. Et toi Anita. So Anita who is she? Is a mother. Okay. So I have written in bracket Mama. Okay. So he is her mother. So oh no, je ne veux qu'un repas léger. So her mother don't want to eat a lot. Okay. She want a light dinner. Okay. So je ne veux qu'un repas léger. Peut-être des rôtis avec des légumes. So she wants roti. Okay. So you can say like a naan, something like naan roti and vegetables. Okay, with some vegetables. Prenons alors des rôtis. So let us take rotis. Moi aussi. So myself also. Papa, je vais prendre des rôtis. So who is saying that? Vinita. So the girl is telling myself also that I am going to take roti. D'abord, tu finis les naan, monsieur. Okay, so first you finish the naan. Okay, so his father is telling. So you understood the second dialogue? Yes. Can we go for the next one? Yes. So dialogue say. So this is a dialogue that they have finished the meal. Okay, so they are commenting of the meal they have ordered. Okay, so la pizza est délicieuse, les rôtis aussi, les plats sont délicieux, c'est un bon restaurant. Oui, le repas est excellent. J'ai soif, papa. Est-ce que je peux avoir de la glace ou du jus de melon? Bien, terminez rapidement. Je vais commander de la glace pour vous. Oui, papa est formidable. Monsieur, l'addition s'il vous plaît. Okay, so this is the dialogue that they have finished the meal. So they are very happy with what they eat. Okay, so the pizza was delicious. The roti also. So the dishes are very delicious. It is a good restaurant. Yes, the meal is excellent. Okay. J'ai soif, Papa. So I am thirsty, Dad. So he is telling Vita. She feels thirsty. Okay. So, est-ce que je peux avoir? So can I have ice cream or watermelon juice? Okay. Jus de melon. Okay. So bien. Yes. Terminez rapidement. Finish fast. I am going to order ice cream for you. Okay. So yes. So they are very happy. Vinita and Vijay are very happy. So they are having fun. So yes. Papa is very amazing. Okay. So Monsieur, Sir, addition. Qu'est-ce que l'addition? What is l'addition? The receipt. Okay. The bill. Okay. So l'addition, s'il vous plaît. So the father is asking for the bill. Okay. So s'il vous plaît, please. The bill, please, sir. Okay. So we are going to ask to the waiter. Okay. So I hope you have understood the 3 dialogues. So you can see the pictures in these 3 dialogues. Okay. So it will be easy for you to understand the conversation which is happening in this lesson. Okay. So go through this. We are going to go for the next lesson in the next video. Thank you.